Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Jupiter from a Sailor Moon on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on as per usual. Which is this. For the hair, I used this hair in this brown for all of it. No adjustments and toggle it to only bangs. Then I selected this updo, same color, no adjustments made. On this hair here, same color. Position the Y at 0.67, Z 0.76, scale it to 0.27. Then use this hair in bangs only in the same brown color. Then I use this hair in this green 235D0F and scale it to 0. Position the Y at 0.65, Z 0.34. Rotated the X to 0.98. For the outfit, I use this top in top only, this green in glitter. Then I use this top here in replacement of the bow. Second toggle, select this pink color in silk. Then I also use this bow in silk and in that pink color. Then I went to VIP and I used this top here in white in light silk, and then the rest in that green glitter, like so. Then for the shoes, I did use these shoes here in green and silk, and then that green again. And then I used these gloves here in white and light silk, and then silk in green. And then for the choker, I just used this one in green and glitter. And that is it. I didn't really use the headpiece because it looked kind of not great with it. So yeah, that is Jupiter for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Whoops, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.